Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create messenger group. Now let's begin. Initially, I'm simply gonna go to fb.com, that is facebook.com, and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now right here at the very top right, here's something like messenger. The icon's right here. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up from right here. Well, here are my friends right here, and at the top there are these three icons: options, see all in messenger, and new message. Click on the new message button right here. Now what you have to do is simply enter the participants. I'm gonna enter my friend's name. Now here is the first participant. Now you also have the option to add other friends. Now here are my two friends, and as you can see, a group is simultaneously created. Let me just send a message. And here you see a group has been created. You can also add other members from right here if you click on this add button. And in case you want to change the name, here's the pencil-like icon. Simply click on it and change the name. Once everything's okay, click on save. In case you do not find these two options, what you need to do is click on the top left, that's the chat settings. Simply click on it and the options will be here as well. You can change the conversation name, you can add members, you can leave group, and you can also see you can start end-to-end encrypted chat. Well guys, this is it. That's how you start a messenger group. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.